The frustration hook. You spend hours recording videos. You upload consistently. You follow advice from creators half your age. Then you check your analytics. 23 views, 31 views, maybe 42 if you're lucky. And after all that effort, it starts to feel like YouTube has already decided who gets attention and who doesn't. It can feel like you're too late, too old, too inexperienced with technology, too far behind the people who started 10 years ago. But what if the problem isn't your age? What if the problem is that you've been following growth advice designed for people with completely different advantages? Because the truth is that some of the fastest growing channels on YouTube today are being built by people over 50, not because they know secret tricks, not because they're better with technology, but because they understand something most younger creators completely miss. And once you understand it, growth becomes much simpler. The curiosity hook. A creator uploads 100 videos. Another creator uploads 20. The second creator grows faster. A retired teacher starts a channel and gains more subscribers in a year than someone who has been trying for 5 years. A man in his 60s starts making simple videos from his spare bedroom and suddenly begins attracting viewers from around the world. How is that possible? How can someone starting late outperform people who started early? The answer has very little to do with editing skills, expensive equipment, or social media followers, and everything to do with understanding how YouTube actually works now, this year. Hi, my name is Bob, and this channel is built for one specific purpose: to help people over 50 build faceless YouTube channels using AI tools to create real income without overwhelm. Because let's be honest, most people at this stage of life are not looking for a hobby. They're looking for a real retirement income strategy, a way to make money online over 50, something sustainable, not exhausting. And that's exactly where YouTube automation fits. Our main market is the United States, but we need to help protect the incomes of people from all Western countries and others where your livelihood and retirement is at stake. With AI, we can help you to cut the hours you use in your video creation time by a factor of 4 and turn simple content into consistent income. See links near the top of our video comments below to learn how. Thousands of channels are generating income every month without ever showing a face, revealing their identity, or becoming internet celebrities. In fact, this video uses the vidIQ to produce the thumbnails from an original image of me de-aged 10 years and re-aged 10 years using Nano Banana, a very economical image program of Google. I use HeyGen to convert the narrative created by ChatGPT into a video using the enhanced, better-looking image of me used in the thumbnail. These products are listed in the video description below. The transformation hook. Imagine opening YouTube Studio and seeing numbers moving in the right direction. More impressions, more views, more subscribers. Not because you got lucky, not because a video went viral, but because you've built a channel that YouTube understands and viewers trust. Imagine knowing exactly what videos to create next. Imagine never running out of content ideas. Imagine finally feeling confident that your channel is growing instead of guessing every time you hit upload. That transformation is available to creators over 50 right now, and in this video, you'll learn exactly how to make it happen. The biggest myth about growing after 50. Let's destroy the biggest myth first. Many people believe younger creators have an automatic advantage. On the surface, that sounds logical. They grew up with technology, they understand social media, they edit faster, they adapt quickly. But YouTube doesn't reward youth. YouTube rewards value. The algorithm doesn't care how old you are. It doesn't know your age. It doesn't know whether you're 25, 55, or 75. It only cares about one thing. Do viewers respond positively to your content? If they do, YouTube keeps recommending it. If they don't, YouTube stops. That's it. The entire game becomes much easier when you realize you're not competing against younger creators. You're competing against mediocre content, and that's a competition you can absolutely win. Why people over 50 actually have advantages. Most creators over 50 spend their time worrying about disadvantages. That's backwards. The smartest creators focus on advantages, and you have several. First, life experience. You've spent decades solving problems, learning lessons, making mistakes, developing skills, building knowledge. Younger creators often spend years searching for expertise. You already possess it. Second, patience. Many younger creators quit quickly. They expect instant results. When growth doesn't happen immediately, they move on to the next opportunity. People over 50 often understand that meaningful success takes time. That mindset alone creates a major advantage. Third, credibility. Viewers trust experience. When you've lived through challenges and achieved results, people listen differently. Your age can become a strength rather than a weakness. The key is positioning it correctly. Stop trying to be a younger creator. One of the fastest ways to fail is trying to imitate creators who have completely different audiences. You don't need fast cuts every 2 seconds. You don't need exaggerated reactions. You don't need to dance for attention. You don't need to copy trends that don't fit your personality. Instead, build around authenticity. The most successful channels over 50 usually lean into who they are. They speak naturally. They share genuine experience. They focus on helping viewers solve real problems. And because they're authentic, people trust them. Trust creates watch time. Watch time creates growth. Growth creates momentum. Everything starts there. The real secret to fast growth. Most people think fast growth comes from viral videos. Sometimes it does, but that's not the most reliable path. The real secret is creating videos that YouTube can easily understand. Think about a bookstore. If books are scattered everywhere, customers struggle to find what they want. But if books are organized into clear categories, finding them becomes easy. YouTube works similarly. The platform wants to understand exactly who should watch your content. When your channel is focused, YouTube gains confidence. When your channel is random, YouTube becomes confused. And confused channels grow slowly. Focused channels grow faster. This is why niche selection matters so much. Not because niches are magical, but because clarity helps YouTube identify your audience. Pick one core topic. Many creators over 50 make the same mistake. They upload videos about everything. One day gardening, next day travel, then personal finance, then cooking, then motivation, then family stories. Every video attracts different viewers. The algorithm struggles to identify patterns. Growth stalls. Instead, choose one core topic, one audience, one primary problem to solve. That doesn't mean you can never branch out. It simply means you need a foundation first. The more focused your content becomes, the faster YouTube learns who enjoys it, and the faster growth begins. Small audiences create big channels. Here's something that surprises many creators. You don't need millions of potential viewers. You need the right viewers. A channel helping retirees understand technology may have a smaller audience than a gaming channel, but that audience can be incredibly engaged. Engagement matters. Loyalty matters. Trust matters. 1,000 dedicated viewers are often more valuable than 10,000 casual viewers. When viewers consistently watch your videos, YouTube notices, and recommendations increase. That's how channels grow, one satisfied viewer at a time. The power of solving problems. People open YouTube for reasons. They're trying to learn, improve, fix, avoid mistakes, save time, save money, get results. The channels that grow fastest usually solve clear problems. Ask yourself, what problem can I solve repeatedly? Maybe it's helping people start businesses. Maybe it's gardening. Maybe it's retirement planning. Maybe it's health and fitness. Maybe it's YouTube growth itself. The clearer the problem, the easier growth becomes. Because viewers are actively searching for solutions. Why search is your best friend. Many creators dream about going viral, but creators over 50 often benefit from a different strategy. Search. When someone types a question into YouTube, they're already interested. They're actively seeking help. This creates opportunity. A video answering a specific question can generate views for years, not days, years. Think about that. You create one helpful video today. Someone discovers it next week. Another person discovers it 6 months later. Someone else finds it 3 years from now. Search-based content can become a long-term asset. That's why smart creators build libraries instead of chasing trends. Build a content library. Imagine planting fruit trees. You don't plant one tree and expect lifelong harvests. You plant many. Each tree contributes. YouTube works the same way. Every useful video becomes an asset. Every helpful upload increases your chances of discovery. Every piece of content expands your digital footprint. Many creators become discouraged because early videos receive few views. But those videos remain available. They continue working. A library of 100 videos has far more opportunities than a library of 10. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is accumulation. Consistency beats motivation. Motivation feels great, but motivation is unreliable. Some days you'll feel inspired. Other days you won't. That's normal. Growth comes from consistency. The creator who uploads every week for 2 years usually outperforms the creator who uploads enthusiastically for 2 months and quits. Consistency creates trust with viewers. Consistency creates trust with YouTube. Consistency develops skill. Most importantly, consistency creates opportunities. You can't predict which video will gain traction, but you can increase the odds by continuing to publish. Focus on clicks first. Many creators obsess over subscribers. Subscribers matter, but clicks come first. Nobody can watch a video they never click. Your title and thumbnail create the first impression. This is where many channels lose growth opportunities. Instead of creating clever titles, create clear titles. Instead of creating confusing thumbnails, create curiosity. People should immediately understand what benefit they'll receive. The best titles often promise a result. The best thumbnails create a question that viewers want answered. Together, they create clicks. Then, focus on watch time. Once someone clicks, a new challenge begins: keeping attention. YouTube pays close attention to viewer behavior. Do people stay? Do they leave? Do they continue watching? This is why strong openings matter. Don't waste the first minute. Get to the point quickly. Tell viewers what they'll learn. Create curiosity. Introduce a problem. Promise a solution. Give people a reason to keep watching. Attention is earned second by second. Stop comparing yourself to huge channels. Comparison destroys momentum. You look at a channel with 500,000 subscribers. You compare it to your channel. You feel discouraged. What you don't see is the years of work behind those numbers. You don't see the failures, the experiments, the learning curve, the slow growth period. You're comparing your beginning to someone else's middle. A better comparison is with yourself. Are today's videos better than last month's? Have your thumbnails improved? Are your titles stronger? Are your introductions more engaging? That's progress, and progress compounds. Learn from every video. Each upload provides data. Most creators ignore it. Successful creators study it. Which videos generated clicks? Which videos held attention? Which topics performed best? Which thumbnails attracted viewers? Your analytics are a feedback system. They reveal what your audience wants. The goal isn't guessing. The goal is learning. Every video teaches a lesson. The creators who learn fastest often grow fastest. The compound effect of improvement. Imagine improving just 1% with every video. 1% better titles. 1% better storytelling. 1% better thumbnails. 1% better delivery. At first, the changes seem insignificant, but after 50 videos, the difference becomes enormous. Many successful channels aren't built through dramatic breakthroughs. They're built through continuous improvement. Tiny gains repeated consistently create remarkable results. The process isn't glamorous, but it works. Why most people quit too soon? This may be the most important lesson in the entire video. Most channels fail because creators stop. Not because they lack talent, not because they're too old, not because YouTube is impossible. They stop. They upload 10 videos, 20 videos, maybe 30. Then they conclude it isn't working. Meanwhile, many successful creators didn't gain momentum until video 50, 75, or 100. Persistence creates opportunities. Quitting eliminates them. The fastest growth strategy, after 50. If you want the simplest growth strategy possible, here it is. Choose one audience. Choose one core topic. Solve one major problem repeatedly. Create searchable content. Upload consistently. Study analytics. Improve gradually. Repeat. That may sound simple, because it is. Simple doesn't mean easy, but simple is powerful. Most growth comes from mastering fundamentals, not discovering secrets. What happens when momentum arrives? Something interesting happens when consistency meets quality. Momentum begins. Videos perform slightly better. Viewers return. Subscribers increase. Recommendations expand. Confidence grows. The process starts feeling less like pushing a boulder uphill and more like steering a vehicle that's already moving. Momentum doesn't arrive overnight, but when it does, everything becomes easier. The key is staying in the game long enough to reach it. Final thoughts. If you're over 50, you are not behind. You are not disqualified. You are not starting from weakness. You're starting with decades of experience, knowledge, perspective, and wisdom that younger creators often spend years trying to develop. The opportunity on YouTube has never been reserved for the youngest creators. It's reserved for the most helpful creators, the most consistent creators, the creators willing to learn, improve, and keep showing up. So stop worrying about your age. Start focusing on your value. Choose your audience. Create your next video. Then create another, and another. Because the channel you want isn't built in a single upload. It's built one video at a time. And if you stay consistent long enough, you may discover that your greatest advantage on YouTube isn't despite being over 50. It's because you're over 50.